Hello everyone, happy vlog. Too loud. Hello everyone. My mouth is full, hold on. Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas day 8. I'm currently just munching on some boiled eggs before I go to work because I do work a double today, and I think I was right last night. I think I am getting a little sick because I woke up this morning with a very sore throat and a stuffy nose, but it's all good. We're gonna conquer this day.
What's going on, YouTube family? This is Blake reporting for the vlog for Vlogmas. We're just chilling out here, enjoying the fire. It's good vibes. Hang on one sec, I'm gonna show you. One sec. See, we got a fire going, just chilling on Saturday. You know how it is. We just chilling. It was going big. I'm gonna put that in the video right now. Just chilling, just wreaking havoc as usual.
What's up guys? I just got home from work. I wanted to show you my package that I got. My new pack of vitamins. So let me flip the camera real quick. So this was a new box of vitamins that came in, and it always comes with this little note, and it says, this is the new month, trust your gut. Your new month of vitamins is here, and this month we're going with our guts. Digestive health is everywhere these days. Probiotics, microbiomes, fermentation, oh mine. So we're breaking it all down, pun intended, on your daily packs. Because a happy gut needs good food, and we can always get behind that. Woo! And it always tells you like what's in your pack and what each of these vitamins does, and the supplements like the amount of the supplements. And then my quick sticks, which I always take Dreams Team because they help me go to bed. So I really like those. And yeah, I'm so excited to get a new pack. I can't wait to see what the new packs say. Nala, you like them too, huh? You like them too, huh? Guys, how cute are the socks I wore to work today? They're little gingerbread men and trees, and they're so cute. Also, I'm just like so tired. I feel like I am definitely getting sick, like I said yesterday and earlier today. Like my nose is stuffy and my head feels kind of warm. So I'm gonna take some NyQuil and I'm gonna get some tea and I'm gonna cuddle up with my book and just try to get all the yuckiness out of my system. Hopefully. This is how Nala tells us she needs water. And if she's feeling extra dramatic, she'll put her head inside the bowl. You drama queen. Also, yes, I know I need to do laundry. I'm gonna do it, don't worry. Hey guys, how's it hanging? You know, it's just me, Nala. I'm just catching some Z's. So comfy. Alrighty friends, it's that time of day again. Time to take my vitamins. Blake's very concerned right now. Okay, let's see. It says today's challenge: can't focus? Get outside. Nature is like a deep tissue massage for your brain, helping you refuel and recharge. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope that you had a marvelous, splendiferous, fantastic day, and that you're having a wonderful, very merry, happy holiday season. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!